stereotype. Radios turn me down cause I won't turn up on the mic. I'd rather rap about my life than give advice to someone who's about to give up on life that's real. Man, fuck how you feel, independent cause I don't need a deal. Picked up the mic and I put down the pills. Picked up the vice, I don't care how I feel. Remember my grandpa passed away and then killed my dad. I saw life as in promise, so I made a promise and I'm pursuing my dreams no matter how they feel. They said that I can't, took out the T, cause you can see I killed it. They sacrifices, always working OT when they call it. I'm feeling all eyes on me when I decide to step in the building. Fuck that radio music you listen to, I spit that real shit. In high school I was unpopular, never fitted with the cool kids. They were busy partying and making